vocab session. Okay, so but before the vocab, I gonna tell you about sound. One sound, that is C. Some people so much confused how to pronounce, how to call that sound because they don't know how to use alphabet C, how to pronounce. Sometimes, if you noticed, C sometimes has two sounds, sa or ka. Okay, I just give you trick. Okay, E and I both are really very best friend, and that's why they are really very like this, so much like to sa. That's why sa is belong to, you can say, species. Okay, so when you just notice in any spelling E or I, so you just pronounce that alphabet is sa. Sound will be is only sa. I just give example. Peace. Peace. In this spelling, did you notice there is E? That's why sound is sa. Peace. Cement. Cement. Again, because E is a friend here, that's why sound is I. Cement. Okay, let's take a third example. City. How should we pronounce this word? Did you know? Okay, I tell you. City, because I also here. Who is I? I is the best friend of sound sa. So we call city. In which city do you live? City. Okay. Now we will talk about the pronouns of ka. Okay. Same here. On another hand, ka sound both O or U. When you just notice in any spell, if O alphabet also here or U vowel also here, in that vowels, if in the spelling, so just pronounce that word, sound will be changed kha. Okay, I just give example. CAN. Just notice, I just give you three friends, A, O, U. So CAN, there is A here. That's why sound will be can. Okay. Next example is CUP. U is a hair. So again curve. Next, again example, COMMON. Okay, COMMON. So did you notice there is not I, E, A, U, but there is O vowels. COMMON. How to pronounce this word? Definitely O is here, sound will be changed automatically kha. So just say common. Now it's clear? Now we will talk about the vocab. First vocab is lukewarm. Lukewarm is gungana. I prefer to take lukewarm of water because I really so much liking to take lukewarm water just because of my throat. Second. Second vocab is rummage. Rummage. Rummage means तलाशना, ढूंढना, search. SEARCH. Rummage means search. Dangling. Dangling means लटकना. Dangling. 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 Dangling means लटकना. Next fourth word is knot. NAUGHT. Knot. Knot means like suppose you have clutch, but in your clutch nothing is there. There is nothing. Your clutch is there is nothing. There is nothing. So when you have need to say nothing, I don't have any money. So you can say nothing not in his pocket. He has not in his pocket. Fifth word is khonkha. 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 Did you notice? I just call the sound of kh. Khonkha, because O is also here and U also here. That's why we pronounce and we like just use a sound of kh. Ka plus hal. Please, you just use a little bit heavy of fa, little bit heavy of kha. Kha. Khonkha. Khonkha means completely agree. I do khonkha with you. I am agree with you. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. And please just use while the speaking, while the writing time as well. Thank you. Have a great good day.